Hello traders, how are you all? How is the trading going on? In entire India, 51.5 million trading accounts are open. Do you know how this many people are stepping into stock market? As this is my first video in my Bangalore Trader YouTube channel, I'm going to explain you how the newbies will step into stock market. Like basically after completing their degree or college or the education, they'll find the job, and like after working in job for like 2.5 years, definitely they'll be bored in the job, and they'll be having like small savings from their salary or from their night shift allowance, and they wanted to start their own business. There'll be a lot of crazy ideas will be dancing in their mind. They'll be thinking, let me open some pani puri shop, or let me open a kebab corner in front of MRP or a bar. Such kind of crazy ideas will be like dancing in their mind. Then finally they come to a conclusion, okay, this is not going to work out. Let me ask Google, let me search in Google, stating like I need to work from home, like with a small investment, I need to start my business, which is the better options. Definitely Google will give many results, and share market will be also one in it. As soon as they see it, they'll be attracted towards it, and they'll be start searching what is share market, like how much money I can make in stock market, how much money I can make in trading, such kind of queries. Obviously, like Google search engine will analyze, okay, this fellow is interested in stock market, and it will keep on throwing all this like ads or stock market and kind of like videos and courses, such kind of things. Obviously, like a slow poison, he'll be attracted towards share market, and he'll open the demat account, and definitely like initially he will gain something, and literally he will lose everything. If you're also in the same process, open your demat account and trading, lost money, or you wanted to trade and you're afraid, such kind of things, you're at the right place. Please go and subscribe to my Bangalore Trader YouTube channel. I'm going to explain a step-by-step process to convert from a novice trader to a professional trader, and what are the mind hacks, what are the psychology hacks, how psychology is most important than fundamental and technical analysis. Please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I'll be coming with a new video with step-by-step process. Thank you one and all. Happy trading.